Samsung Galaxy A51. Best gaming phone $399. Exynos 9611 CPU and 4GB of RAM. One look at the $399 Samsung Galaxy A51 and its laundry list of features, and you might wonder why anyone needs a $1,000 Galaxy S20. You get a 6.5-inch OLED display, 4 rear cameras and a big 4000 mAh battery for a very reasonable price. There's only one problem: Samsung may have stepped up its mid-range phone game, but so too has the competition. And while the Galaxy A51 can claim a few advantages over the similarly priced iPhone SE 2020 and Google Pixel 3a, it still suffers from occasionally subpar performance, low-light photography that often fails to impress, and battery life that's only decent. Indeed, this is one of the best cheap phones around, though, as you'll find in our Samsung Galaxy A51 review, it's more of a jack-of-all-trades than a master of one. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, pricing and availability. The $399 Samsung Galaxy A51 released on April 9th. You can buy it unlocked direct from Samsung, opens in new tab, or through a variety of carriers, including Verizon, Sprint, AT&T and Xfinity Mobile. Amazon, opens in new tab, is also selling the unlocked version. There's only one configuration of the Galaxy A51 available in the US, and it comes with 4GB of RAM and a generous 128GB of storage. If you need even more space, you can add a microSD card up to 512GB in size. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, design. Lots of phone makers like to tout how their flagship designs trickle down into more affordable mid-range models, and Samsung is making similar noises about the Galaxy A51. However, in a shocking twist, I found I actually prefer the A51's look and feel to its Galaxy S20 extended family. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, display. One of the best things about last year's Galaxy A50 was its AMOLED display, a luxury typically reserved for more premium devices. The new Galaxy A51 retains that dazzling panel, except this time it measures 6.5 inches from corner to corner, while keeping a full HD resolution. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, camera. You might expect one or two cameras from a $400 phone, but the Galaxy A51 has a whopping 4 on the back, a 48-megapixel f/2.0 wide-angle primary shooter, supported by 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP depth and 5MP macro optics. A 32MP sensor serves selfie duties on the front. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, performance. Rather than using one of Qualcomm's mid-range 600 or 700 series chipsets, the Galaxy A51 derives its power from Samsung's own Exynos 9611 CPU and 4GB of RAM. The 9611 is an 10nm octa-core processor, and its closest competitor is probably the Snapdragon 665, which happens to feature in the just-launched Moto G Power. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, battery life. Samsung has shoehorned a 4000 mAh battery into the Galaxy A51, which seems quite large considering how slender this device is. That big battery, plus the A51's hardware being optimized more for efficiency than all-out power, should guarantee exceptional battery life, or so you'd think. Samsung Galaxy A51 review, software and special features. The Galaxy A51 comes out of the box with Android 10 installed, and on top of that you get Samsung's One UI. Although I've never been one for phone makers' user interface tweaks to Android, One UI is a pretty comprehensive package that is more than just a reskin, adding useful features that you don't often see in phones as cheap as this, like the ability to capture scrolling screenshots and store media in secure, password-protected folders. Samsung Galaxy A51 specs. Price, $399. OS, Android 10 with One UI. Display, 6.5-inch OLED, 2400 by 1080. CPU, Exynos 9611. RAM, 4GB. Storage, 128GB, expandable up to 512GB. Rear camera, quad lens, 48MP wide, f/2.0, 12MP ultra-wide, f/2.2, 5MP depth, f/2.2, 5MP macro, f/2.4. Front camera, 32MP, f/2.2. Battery, 4000 mAh. Size, 6.24 by 2.90 by 0.31 inches. Weight, 6.07 ounces.